Hello everyone, in this episode of Day Job brought to you by Sparesbox, we give our work hack a new lease on life.
Dude.
What?
Why's the van in the shop?
What do you reckon? That's what we're doing. Doing the van. There's no car in the back of the van. We're doing the van.
I feel like I'm getting stitched up.
You are getting stitched up.
What are we doing?
Well, work vans tend to get thrashed, bashed, crashed, whatever, right?
Yep.
So we're going to give it a birthday.
Yep.
Turbo diesel technology. We're going to do some mods.
All right. Are we going to dyno it?
Yeah. So I reckon we need to give it like a good, clean out all of the inlet track, clean out all the intercooler, get all the carbon deposits out of it, so give it a full carbon clean, block off the EGR, we'll put an aftermarket filter in it, we might even upgrade the intercooler, we'll do an exhaust on it. By us, I mean you will do an exhaust on it, and we'll see if we can actually get this thing ripping skids again. What do you reckon?
Okay.
All right,
sounds good.
Let's get on the hoist, see what we need.
Yep, let's do that.
Well, here it is. Looks like there's nothing wrong with it, right? It actually looks pretty good.
I don't know why you want me to be impressed.
It's 170,000 Ks, or just over, but so it actually looks pretty good. It's been serviced. I thrash it pretty hard to blow the cobwebs out, which I actually think is the reason why it's still going good.
Yeah.
But it's never had a birthday, and you already know the inlet tract is all filled with carbon deposits. It needs a catch can because you already know that it'll all breathe through there, and it's all going to get in the back of the valves. And with the amount of Ks it's got, it looks fine on the outside, but on the inside, I reckon it needs a birthday.
Okay.
But as well as giving it a birthday and cleaning out all the carbon deposits and stuff like that and trying to make it all fresh again, I reckon we do some mods. I reckon give it a catch can. I reckon that we maybe try and find an intercooler to put on. And then I reckon that you put an exhaust on it. I mean, we put an exhaust on it. I reckon we block the EGR valve. So we block off the EGR valve and then I reckon we tune it.
Yep.
And then it will do skids again.
So it doesn't do skids anymore?
When I bought it, it did skid. And then then my work vehicle can tow cars.
What do you reckon? How much power do you reckon it makes?
I mean, they're only rated to like 125 kilowatts or something, so like 150, 160 horsepower. But they're like 450 Newton meters or something. I don't know. I can't remember. I'll have to look.
What do you reckon? Seat of pants. How much power has it got now?
100 kilowatts at the wheels max.
That it?
That it, yeah. I'll be happy if we can just get back the power it's lost and make like an extra 30, 40 kilowatts. But if we can pick up like 100 Newton meters of torque from tuning as well, that'd be pretty sick. Let's go order some parts. What do we need? Not much really. We probably need a K&N panel filter. We need a catch can. We need an intercooler. There's nothing actually really wrong with this car under here. We need some fluids for a birthday and we'll get some Nulon like engine oil flush, Nulon carbon cleaner and stuff like that. And let's get it up in the air and see how hard our exhaust is going to be to make. There's actually a bit of like seepage going on down the bottom here around the pan. And there's actually, have a look at this. Look at all that oil. It looks like it's actually coming out of a broken intercooler. Look at that.
Oh yeah,
look at that.
It's damaged, yeah.
You reckon the intercooler's, oh bro. Yeah. Wow. All right, that could explain a little bit. We actually have a leaking intercooler. So we have to get a new one anyway.
Yeah. Like this pipe is very oil soaked, eh?
Yeah. Well, should we, you know what? You could make a new aluminium intercooler pipe.
Oh yeah, that's only.
Because that's cactus, bro.
Oh, we could probably just put a silicone hose on there.
Yeah, we'll find.
I wonder if it's
like.
Look
at all up there, the whole way out. Look, all of the turbo. All of the intercooler pipes are soaked in oil.
Well, what do you want? Do you want sound or you want?
I want hectic. So we can just like dump here before the diff. No. I actually want performance. I actually want to go from.
Yeah, it's a reasonable.
Nah, from up there. Look, from a dump pipe. Everything else seems alright.
No, it's actually in really good shape, man.
Yeah. Dude, this is more of a stitch up.
That.
This was meant to be the easiest car to work on so far, and now you're getting stitched up.
Yeah.
All right.
The Falcon's in better condition.
I'm gonna go order parts.
No worries.
So firstly, I'm gonna strip all the intercooler piping off, pull the factory intercooler out. We've got an i30N intercooler laying around, so we're gonna see if we can fit that in. I'm not impressed with this job. I've actually been properly stitched up. The intercooler doesn't fit. Now I've got to make like a turbo back exhaust. The bolts are hard to get to. I'm gonna have to get Andrew back so good, man. He said this thing's disgusting. It probably wasn't even doing any cooling. Look how like blocked up it is. It's just filthy. It's actually probably more an oil cooler than an intercooler. Okay, so I'm just stripping the intercooler because pretty much I'm just going to clean it and put it back in. Oh, hey Atlas. I've got some chemicals here we use for stripping like oil and powder coat off, so I'm just going to dump it in that for a couple of hours and then hose it out. I got proper stitched up.